deep, spiritual old school reggae soul. Militant motivation, Rastafari essence, plenty of patois slangs, messages of wisdom from the ancestors, imagery of liberation, struggle and divine guidance. The vibe should feel like a young things in the needs, 1990 conscious roots and them, mystical, powerful and timeless. Keep to include hearing the rhythm of the ancestor through the drum with an heartbeat. Messages from elders guiding the youths toward righteousness. Standing tall against Babylon oppression, unity, strength, rarity and spiritual journey. Meditation, wisdom and ancient teachings. The spirit of Africa calling the children home. A powerful chorus that feels like a chant or invocation. Deep metaphors about time, struggle, liberation and the soul's journey. Patois flavor, examples. Your light a shine bright in a me soul. Me hear the ancestor them a whisper upon the breeze. Stand firm, no bow to Babylon tricks. Riddim beat like heart of the warrior. Overall mood is the my rootsy ancient, militant yet peaceful, with a strong spiritual pull. Something that feels like a lost dove treasure resurrected from the hills of Kingston.
Write a deep spiritual, old school reggae song, militant motivation, Rastafari essence. Plenty of patois slangs, messages of wisdom from the ancestors, imagery of liberation, struggle and divine guidance. The vibe should feel like a 1970 reads 1901 cast roots and them, mystical, powerful and timeless. Hearing the rhythm of the ancestor through the drum, wind and heartbeat. Messages from elders guiding the youths toward righteousness. Standing tall against Babylon oppression, unity, strength, heritage and spiritual journey. Meditation, wisdom and ancient teachings. The spirit of Africa calling the children home. A powerful chorus that feels like a chant or invocation. Deep metaphors about time, struggle, liberation and the soul's journey. but to a flavor examples. Jah light a shine bright in a me soul. Me hear the ancestor them a whisper upon the breeze. Stand firm, no bow to Babylon tricks. Riddim beat like heart of the warrior. Overall mood, Eastern Pal Brutsy, ancient, militant yet peaceful, with a strong spiritual pull. Something that feels like a lost dub, treasure resurrected from the hills of Kingston